This is Taylor 3 solar site in Butler, Georgia. I have approximately 18 pieces of equipment, 35 men. We're building a solar site. It's 800 acres, 5 million yards of dirt to move.
This is a sustainability project for a greener America. When we can do our part to employ people and utilize efficient Cat machinery, we just feel like it helps the environment and our country. One thing that sets Brad Cole apart is the fact that we take safety very seriously. At our company, safety is a culture.
It's a lot safer. You're aware of your surroundings. You're not looking around you to the sides, the back. You're focused on what's going on in front of you.
GPS grade control has really helped us on this project by allowing us to establish those grades accurately and more efficiently and provide the product that our customer is demanding. One of the things that CAT's integrated grade control has done for us, it's taken another exposure out of our day in taking down that system and putting it back up.
You don't have any vandalism because there's nothing outside the tractor to be vandalized.
I went to the demo. I asked our salesman, I said, where's this tractor going when it leaves here? He said, we're probably taking it back to the dealership. I said, I've got a lowboy on the way. It's going straight to our job. We have several D6Ts. We found that they are a stronger machine. It does so much more, so much faster. We love the 3D. It's so easy to set up.
We have to produce a good product, a very high tolerance, on a very tight schedule. Client specifically has came to us and told us that we are not the typical grading company. Tolerances when they come in and check behind us are on grade. They have commended our ability, and a lot of that is due to the machinery and the grade control that we utilize.
Operators really like it whenever you put them in a nice piece of equipment. It's comfortable, you get more production out of it. It just makes a happier operator. A happier operator, use more production. The operators love it really because the screen sizes are smaller. Also, they've made the screens touch screen. You don't have to sit there and go through the buttons and all that. You can do it right on the screen.
Having GPS technology allows us to be more competitive. We're actually slated to complete this project about 45 days early. That translates into better product, but more importantly, a satisfied customer.
We're working smarter, not harder.